Cars to trains next. HS2 says there will be 20,000 fewer trucks on the road across the south as the high-speed rail project looks to reduce its carbon footprint. The firms faced ongoing criticism of the impact to the environment. The new depot at Calvert, the biggest site in Buckinghamshire, is using an existing train line to bring in thousands of tonnes of building materials. Matt Graveling reports.
From Birmingham to London, HS2 will extend for 140 miles. A third of that will travel through Buckinghamshire, and here in Calvert, work is underway to ensure the tracks stay on track.
But HS2 is a generational project. We look back at what the Victorians did for us, and this is us again now doing this for future generations.
Simon, tell me what's so special about this site.
So the Calvert site is probably one of the largest construction sites we have in Buckinghamshire. It's where HS2 and East West Rail come together, and it's where we're trying to make advantage of the existing connection between Network Rail, that we can actually bring as much material to site as possible.
This stone being stored here at Calvert is going to be used to help make temporary construction roads across Buckinghamshire to help build HS2. Now in total there's going to be 400,000 tonnes of rock stored here, and it's all coming in on one of 3 daily trains. HS2 say each train will remove 70 trucks from the road, eventually totalling 20,000. It's a positive environmental step for a project that has been met with strong opposition.
There's some real concerns about what's happening locally, and that strength of feeling is known and shared amongst the team. We really understand what it means and trying to deal with that and respond to that as best we can.
Last week I spoke to these campaigners near Great Missenden. I put one of their concerns to Simon.
My name is Jim Ashton and I currently live next door to the HS2 compound from hell. My question to you, HS2, is this. Do you think along the whole length of this project we have the right as humans to displace any one of these living creatures, whether it's a nuthatch, a badger or a 150-year-old oak tree? What are your thoughts?
I think in the short term people are seeing the negative side of it, but in the long term HS2 is part of a much bigger picture in terms of addressing climate change. We are planting over 7 million trees across the route, which is probably 30% more than what we're taking out, but certainly feeling, recognise the comments the gentleman's making.
Today's slightly late arrival didn't really have an impact, but Calvert will be hoping to improve train times soon, as upon the completion of HS2, the site will become the maintenance depot for the entire line. Matt Graveling, BBC South Today.
Millions of